doing just fine. You think you can change? I'll change now.
I stay awake until the first glimmer of sun hits the horizon. I am afraid of the dark. No one to talk to, only my own thoughts to live with. My mind going to dark places.
I want the world after the summer's time. I watch the world after the coming tide. I hear they visions, but they fucking blind. I guess a vision didn't come inside. Toast up, then throw the loaf up. Up this toaster since folks gon' loaf up. Ain't no hold up, I'll have a hold up. This just a hold up, but I can hold punch. You know what? You know none. I know you, I told you. I can't tell it better than I show you. You swarming through your sight lines. Enforcement spotted, but more been hiding out of your eyesight. It's my time, and on my watch you won't see the limelight. Unless I light the sky, and by design, even if you light on fire, still remains my time to shine. Instilling flames, no chill today, but keep my heart on ice. You eat away, you free to play, but it still got a price. These waters rising high.